Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the kit components and doing a quick patch test. This prevents irritation. Once done, remove makeup and oil with the provided cleanser using circular motions for 30 to 60 seconds, then pat dry. Make sure to read ingredient notes for allergies. If any sting appears in the patch test, stop. Next, gather a towel, mirror, and a timer so you can follow timings precisely. Start immediately after prep to keep products active and effective. You now apply the serum thinly across face, avoiding eyes and lips because sensitive membranes react differently. Once applied, massage upward and outward for 60 to 90 seconds to boost absorption and circulation. Focus on the T-zone where oil accumulates. After serum sinks in, spread the fruit mask evenly using the applicator in a single layer, maintaining 5 to 10 minutes depending on sensitivity. Longer increases exfoliation, so check skin response. You finish by rinsing thoroughly with cool water using gentle circular motions. Avoid scrubbing to prevent microtears. Once rinsed, pat skin lightly and within 2 to 5 minutes apply a soothing moisturizer, or SPF if you'll be outdoors. This seals hydration and protects newly exfoliated skin. If redness or burning persists, immediately rinse for several minutes, apply a cool compress, and stop using active products. If symptoms continue, consult a dermatologist. Remember, consistent gentle care yields the best results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.